Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we've got the head on the bench and we're going to start grinding the valves. As you can see from this one, it's quite pitted. There's a lot of exhaust gases still on there. So we're going to give everything a nice clean it all up, grind the valves. I've bought a valve grind kit. So stay tuned. I am going to put up some time lapses in this video because obviously you don't want to listen to me waffle on while we're doing this. So I do want to say a big thank you to everybody who's joined my subscribes over the last few weeks. I've noticed it's jumped up quite a lot over the past few weeks. So thank you ever so much to every single one of you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, like the video, and click the bell in the top corner to keep updated with any future uploads. I've got quite a few bits left in this year to film, which I'm looking forward to doing. I've got 2 more car shows. I've got a car run next week, which is the Mach run. Hopefully this video should be out before that one. So yeah, thank you all ever so much. From somebody who never thought you'd get 100 views, let alone 100 subscribers, and now I'm up to 240, which is great for me. So thank you all, and stay tuned, and I'll whack up some time lapses now. Cheers guys. So as you can see, I've grinded it down a little bit now with a screwdriver just to get rid of all the excess. It's a lot smoother now. So I'm going to get the wire brush now and also a Brillo pad just to make sure it's nice and smooth all around. And then that's one valve done. Another 7 to go. So keep tuned. Thank you very much everyone. I'll see you guys in a minute. So I've come over to the light now so we can see, as you can see, it's a lot more cleaner than what it was. So now it's time to, well, I just need to finish off getting inside there with the screwdriver now. And then get the grind paste on and start grinding. So keep watching guys, thank you. So as you can see, that's a hell of a lot cleaner than what it was a minute ago. It has taken me quite a bit of time to do this first one, but as with everything, the first one always takes longer. So now I am gonna sit it. So I'm gonna put some paste on now and we'll give it a go. So I'll lock a time lapse up. I am gonna use the coarse grade first and then move on to the finer when it's obviously a lot shinier. So stay tuned, thanks for watching. So in true fashion, the GoPro battery went dead last night, so I did only get up to the 3rd one in the video, but they've all been done now. All the valves have been grinded. I did use the coarse grade first, and then after a little while moved on to the fine grade. So hopefully that's all finished now. So what I do want to do next, and I might whack it in this video the same, I'm going to paint the head, tidy it all up, give this a nice painting, and then move on to the block, so everything's nice and neat and tidy for when the shell comes back. So keep watching, thank you very much, and see you guys in a minute. So just so you can see what paint I'm actually using, I'm using E-Tech engine enamel paint, and I've gone for silver for the head, and I think I might paint the block this colour too. So now I'm going to whack up a time lapse of me painting the engine, and then we'll move on to honing the block afterwards. Thanks guys, and keep watching. So now I've moved over to the block, I'm going to start honing the cylinders down. So I'll whack up a time lapse and a quick video of me doing this. I have already started by doing the first one, as you can see the difference between that one and all these. So it'll make a hell of a difference, ready for when the pistons go back in next week. So I'll keep doing that now, and I'll whack up a time lapse of me doing that. Now that is a lot better. Nah, it's still there. Right then guys, so as you can see I have painted the block. It's got a nice silver and the head. So fingers crossed now everything's done on the engine wise and we can start fitting that back together next week. Not only that, I have bought something a little bit different for the car, but that's all to be revealed in a couple of weeks once I go and collect it. So for now, that's all I've got. Hopefully the shell, I'm going to visit the shell in a couple of weeks. And then I'll get a video up of the progress of the shell and how that's coming along. But for now, that's what I've got. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's not been the most spectacular videos, but it's just showing what I'm doing and keeping up to date. So thanks all for watching. Thank you everyone for subscribing so far, and see you again soon.